Hello everyone. I I have a sore throat, so I'm not sure if I'm going to talk a lot, but yeah, I'm at 4.8% progress with the C sharp track, and I'm trying to solve exercises and learn more. The last time I used C sharp full time in my day job. That was back in, it was from 2007 to 2010, about 3 years. So many things have changed in a way. Some things haven't changed, but some other things have changed with the language itself as a language, but also with the framework and especially front end technologies and stuff. Anyway, so I'm using exorcism as a good way to get my hands dirty with some C sharp every day and gradually remember things. So yeah, I'll just continue solve one or two exercises today and yeah, take it from there. So let me fix this a little bit, make it a little bit larger. Okay. I'm basically using the web editor. I'm not using my local development environment because I'm on a Mac OS. I could do it, but yeah, the editor is handy as well. So okay, so should we learn about characters and string builder? Yeah, I think this sounds nice. Okay, let's start reading about the char type. Okay, so the C sharp char type is a 16-bit quantity to represent the smallest addressable components of text. Multiple chars can comprise a string such as word, or chars can be processed independently. Their literals have single quotes. Okay. UTF-16 Unicode encoding. So in addition to the Latin character set, pretty much all writing systems used in the world can be represented. For example, the Greek letter Vita. There are many built-in library methods to inspect and manipulate chars. This can be found as static methods of the system char class. All right. String builder. Chars are sometimes used in conjunction with a string builder object. This object has methods that allow a string to be constructed character by character and manipulated. At the end of the process, toString can be called on it to output a complete string. All right, so in this exercise, you will implement a partial set of utility routines to help a developer clean up identifier names. In the 5 tasks, you will gradually build up the routine clean. A valid identifier comprises 0 or more letters and underscores. In all cases, the input string is guaranteed to be non-null. If an empty string is passed to the clean function, an empty string should be returned. Note that the caller should avoid calling the routine clean with an empty identifier, since such identifiers are ineffectual. All right. So replace any spaces encountered with underscores. Implement the static identifier clean method to replace any spaces with underscores. This also applies to leading and trailing spaces. Okay, so let's open the editor. Okay, so string identifier. So how can we... Okay, so if identifier, is there such a thing? Is there such a thing? I don't know. No idea. So what I often do is open ChatGPT and I guess go to C# track. I already have a conversation going on, so how can I check if a string is empty? If a string is empty, is null or empty? Okay, so this is this it? If string, so if is string is null or empty, and I think this is always Pascal case, and I guess this is the empty string, right? So I assume that this is, I guess, correct. So I want to iterate, basically string builder. Okay. How is a string builder can you give me an example usage of string builder? Okay. So I guess I want to create a new string builder, right? String builder SB equals string builder new string builder, and this is not a building, it's a builder. I think I need to use system text, yeah. And then I wanna for each, I want to iterate the characters in identifier. So basically it's char scene identifier, and now I wanna basically string, sb append c, right? And this basically takes this string and builds a new one character by character. But what we need here is, like, if we see a space, then instead of adding the character, the space itself, we need to add an underscore. So again, if right, else right. So if it's a space, if it's a space, we are going to basically append an underscore, right? And then basically return sb to string. And here we need to check if c equals a space. Hopefully this works, but yeah, whatever. It seems it's working. Let's try the next one. Replace control characters with the uppercase string control. Okay. What the hell is a control character? I'm asking ChatGPT. Oh, I guess there is a method. All right. Else, yeah. Oops, sorry. Else if c equals, sorry, basically if char is control. Now this is supposed to be a ChatGPT recommendation. Line 18, yeah, I always forget this. Okay, so it works. Let's try the third task. I'm just noting Squeaky clean. This is the name of the exercise. All right, so convert kebab case to camel case. So basically, if you have this, then you need to do this. So what do you mean, mate? Modify this method to convert kebab case to camel case. All right. So what do you mean though, mate? Oh, okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. So basically, if the character is if C equals this, I guess what we wanna do is oh God. So so we are skipping this, so I need to somehow iterate and be like, hey, this if this needs to be upper, all right, then I need to append C to R, if that's even a thing, but we'll see. And yeah, and then sorry, and then needs to be upper equals false, and of course needs to be upper equals false. Okay. Yeah, of course. To upper takes 0 arguments. 18. To upper takes 0 arguments. What do you mean? What do you mean? Where? Uh, Sorry, I have to ask ChatGPT. How do I make char uppercase? Oh, it's static frequently. Okay, so we did that as well. I don't know if this is the good code, but yeah, whatever. One more. Modify the static, yeah, clean method to omit any characters that are not letters. What? Mm, okay, so nothing. All right, so sorry. Else if C else if sorry, char is letter. I guess, yeah, but I don't like this. I like this a little bit better. And then omit Greek lowercase letters. Wow. Okay. So I guess else if omit. Okay. If char is this, yeah, and not if char is letter and not char greater or equal a, or and c less or equal to omega. Let's see, is this it? Yeah, we did it. We did it. Let's see if there is some feedback. No immediate feedback. Mark as complete, yes. Return to the exercises. Classes. Create cars. Date time. Nullables. Printing name badges. I don't know, maybe I can do this one. Huh? Yeah? Okay, nullability. In C#, the null literal is used to denote the absence of a value. A nullable type is a type that allows for null values. Prior to C#8, reference types were always nullable and value types were not. A value type can be made nullable, though, by appending it with a question mark. So this is a nullable reference type. Hello, nullable reference, null. Valid as type is nullable. Int, non-nullable value type. This is a compiler error. And this though, is nullable. All right. Accessing a member of a variable which value is null will compile fine, but result in a null reference exception being thrown at runtime. To counter this common type of mistake, C#8 allows one to opt into a feature that makes reference types non-nullable by default. To safely work with nullable values, one should check if they're null before working with them. Okay. Normalized name. Yeah. The double question mark operator allows one to return a default value when the value is null. So, okay, John, Paul, John. This will get John, right? Okay. But this will get George. Okay, this is apple, fruit length 7, vegetable length null. Oh. In this exercise, you will be writing code to print name badges for factory. print a badge for an employee. Employees can have an ID name and department name. Employee badge labels are formatted as follows. ID name, department. Implement the static badge print method to return an employee's badge label. So if you get this, this, and this, then you return this. Note that the department should be uppercased on the label. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is the first one. Print. This may be null. Okay. So guess one could do a return. Oops, sorry, this is Greek. So the first one should be, I don't know if this works, honestly. All right. Is this the format? Yeah. And then the department, this is not nullable. All right. So this is basically, yeah, I guess maybe, I don't know, maybe I should do string builder SB string builder yes, I cannot type. Basically, I cannot type. Sorry. So basically, what I want is if ID then SB append ID, and then SB append. Okay. Then if not if, and then SB append name, and then if department not equal null, SB append department to upper. But before that, what I want to do is basically, yeah, append. I think that's, yeah, sorry, return SB to upper, right? I think that's that should do it, but not sure. Oops. Yeah. Line 14, as always. What else? Oh, string builder. Yeah, using system text, run tests. Nope. 18. What? Failed. Oh, interesting. What's... Wait a minute. So, I think I missed something, right? Oh yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, what? How did I pass this? Due to a quirk of the new application, don't yet have an ID. When they start working at the factory, as badges are required, they will receive a temporary without the ID prefix. Oh, oh, I did that. Or I already did that, so whatever. Even the factory's owner has to wear a badge at all times. However, an owner does not have a department. An owner does not have a department. Okay, yeah. In this case, the label should print owner instead of the department name. Modify the print method to print a label for the owner. Oh, so basically, if the department is null, which is this, else basically sorry, if it's null, then so yeah, this, I guess there's always going to be a, yeah, regardless, like, but in one case it's going to be department to upper, in the other case it's going to be owner. Yay. I'll call it a day because I'm a little bit yeah, I'm not feeling very well, but yeah, at least I did two again. Let's see, maybe there is like some feedback. No immediate feedback. Okay, continue. Mark as complete, yes. Confirm. Return to the exercise. Exercises overview. Yeah, 6.1. Nice. See you in the next stream.